Getting grass stains out of your clothes can be so difficult. However, you can stay away from using harsh chemicals to remove that grass stain. Let me teach you how. The items you'll need to get started are rubbing alcohol and powdered laundry detergent. First, pre-treat the grass stain with rubbing alcohol. Let it sit for like 3 to 5 minutes and then rinse it in cold water. Make a paste with 2 tablespoons powdered laundry detergent and a little bit of water. Cover the grass stain completely with your paste and let it sit about 20 minutes or so, maybe a little longer, depending how bad your stain is, before you put the item in the wash. After the wash cycle is complete, check your garment again to ensure that all the pigment from the grass is gone. If it isn't, then repeat the steps again until it is. Remember, don't dry anything with a stain on it, or the heat from your dryer will set the stain, making it next to impossible to remove. Always air dry your clothing items whenever there's a stain on it that you're treating. Please share this video with all your friends who need to learn how to remove grass stains from their clothes. Give me a thumbs up, show me that you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for daily DIY videos. Thank you, and I will see you tomorrow.